Alpha.
If you're using ZV-E10 to create content in a studio, then we have a range of kit that's perfectly suited for it. For example, we have our 10-18 wide-angle lens. This lens will capture more of your surroundings and draw your viewer into the video. In addition to that, it has image stabilization, so it's great for shooting on the move. Alternatively, we have the 35mm f1.8 lens. This is a small but powerful lens, and with an aperture of f1.8, it's both great in low light and creates beautifully smoothly defocused backgrounds. Those defocused backgrounds are easy to create and control thanks to the ZV-E10's bokeh switch. Studio shooters will also enjoy a greater level of control over their audio using the ECM B1N. This is a digital microphone with a range of controls which allows you to choose whether to simply isolate your own voice or capture some of your surroundings. And it has built-in noise cancellation as well, so really clear audio. And finally, if you want a studio setup that's really simple to set up but great to control, we have the VPT2BT, a grip and tripod which allows you to remotely control the camera thanks to Bluetooth. That means you can start and stop recording, zoom in and out, or activate that bokeh switch straight from the grip. And we can also put the camera down somewhere else and control it remotely via Bluetooth. For more kits available for ZV-E10, check out our other videos.